Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we will be drawing the isometric projection of the red block that is shown on the left of the screen. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the division of lines, and at CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. In today, you're joining us for two videos. The first video will start the isometric drawing, and in the second video we'll be completing the drawing by adding the dimensions and finishing the drawing in its entirety. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video we'll be looking at the isometric drawing. So the first thing we're going to draw is our line. I'm going to turn on snap. I'm going to draw the baseline right here. All right, so we're going to go. This length will be 90 millimeters and the angle will be 30 degrees. Enter. Then we're going to turn on ortho. We're going to go up 15 millimeters. Enter. I'm going to come down 'Gonna turn off ortho. We're going to come down 30 millimeters and the angle would be 210. Enter. Then we're going to go up. We're going to turn on ortho. I'm going to center the drawing so you can see. All right, we're going to go up. So the height would be 30. Enter. We're going to turn off ortho. I'm going to come down. This length would be 30 millimeters and the angle will be 210. Enter. All right. We're going to come down, going to turn on ortho. We're going to come down 15 millimeters. Enter. Going to turn off ortho. Going to come down 30 millimeters. And the angle will be 210. Enter. Then we're going to come down 30 millimeters. Enter. All right, so we have completed drawing that side. We're going to draw this side coming around now. So this would be 50 millimeters and the angle will be 150. Enter. We're going to go up 30 millimeters from this point, 30. Going to turn off snap. From here, we're going to go 30 millimeters up. Enter. Right? Then we're going to come down 50 millimeters. And the angle will be 330. Enter. Enter to close the command. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to draw this side going up. So we're going to go line from this corner. The length would be 30 millimeters and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. All right, so we can actually come back this side and this line would be 50 millimeters and the angle would be 330 degrees. Enter. Enter to close the command. Draw a line going up 15 millimeters from here. So we're going to go up 15 millimeters, enter. Then we're going to come down 50 millimeters and the angle would be 330. Enter. Right, enter to close the command. All right, we're going to draw this side now. So we're going to go line from this corner going across. This length would be 30 millimeters and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. We're going to come down. This would be 50 millimeters and the angle would be 330. Enter. Enter to close the command. Good job if you're following along so far. What we're going to do, we're going to draw this line going here at the back. So we're going to click here. The length of this line will be 50 millimeters and the angle will be 150 degrees. Enter. All right, so the line coincide with the part going there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna trim it, okay? So we're gonna go trim. I'm gonna trim this excess line right here. Enter. All right, good. So this is the object drawn in isometric projection. If we want, we can actually put the point. We're gonna start here. The height, I'm gonna make the height 4 millimeters in the rotational angle 0. And right here would be X, capital letter X. All right. We're gonna add the dimensions to the drawing, right? So we're gonna go linear. I'm gonna click this point, this point. Oh, I need to type dim style. So I'm gonna type D is a shortcut for dim style. I'm gonna go to modify. I'm gonna change this value. We're under the fit tab, which is here. I'm gonna change 1 to 2. I'm gonna press OK. Press close and see the 15 is bigger. All right, so we're gonna go aligned, not aligned, linear. All right, we're gonna enter aligned. Linear. Gonna choose this point, this point. Enter to get the last command. We're gonna choose this point and this point, right? We're gonna turn on snap so that they are aligned, all right? So we click this. Yes. Gonna move this one too. Good. All right. The next thing we need is the width here, right? So we're gonna go aligned. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna turn off snap. I'm gonna click here. Click there. Good. All right. So we're gonna go aligned. This point coming down. We're gonna measure this point. Gonna turn off snap. This point and this point coming down. Gonna turn on snap, sorry. We're gonna measure this point, gonna turn off snap so we can pick up the point. This point and this point coming down, gonna turn on snap. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna align them, okay? So we're gonna type beam edit, right? We're gonna click oblique. We've come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic isometric projection. In the next video, which is part 2, we'll be completing the isometric drawing. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. And at CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.